Hello everybody, I'm Debbie Indihar Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to our 2026, our first video of the year. This is Monday, January 5th, and we're taping here to begin the year. So good news, if you watch the stock market today, the Dow Jones went up 800 points. That's in result of what's going on in Venezuela and the oil situation, but certainly is a positive sign for the economy. And then share with your interest rates today and talk to you about a sale I made over the weekend, which was super exciting, and about the open house that I have coming up this weekend, and then a new and few coming soons that are coming up. So let's dive into interest rates. Today we're at a 30-year fixed conforming of 6.325% and a 30-year fixed jumbo rate at 6.375. So those are basically holding from where they've been in the past. We might see a little bit of drop in the next month or two, not expected totally, but interest rates are still not holding buyers from buying properties. So I put into escrow and contract yesterday 2101 Euridius Ranch Road in Milpitas. That's that beautiful 3,400 square foot home, almost like a semi-custom home. It was listed at 2.998888, 5-bedroom, 4-bath. Quite an amazing property, and we got 3 offers on the property, did a little countering back and forth, and worked one offer up to closing at $3,317,000. So seller got 300 plus K over their list price. So the market is super, super amazing. So mark your calendars for this weekend, January 10th and January 11th. We have open 650 Folsom Circle in Milpitas. That's in the Hidden Lake area. It's a duet home, so there's one common wall with the neighbor, but it's just like a single family home. It's a 2-bedroom, but 2 master suites upstairs, each with their bathrooms, 2.5 bath, 1,459 square feet. So you have a lot of square footage, private patio, been freshly painted inside, has beautiful cherry wood laminate flooring downstairs, new countertop in the kitchen. The bathrooms have been remodeled, so they're fresh. So it's actually move-in condition. And the price point on this one is a good one, $1,348,888. So be there between the hours of 2 and 4, both Saturday and Sunday. Love to meet you. Come view this great property. Then I just listed over the weekend 14884 Penitencia Creek Rd in San Jose. That's kind of off Piedmont Road. If you know where Piedmont and Penitencia Creek meet, then you go on up Penitencia Creek. It's a really amazing location for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,750 square foot home. There's open space across the street. It's at the upper Penitencia Creek area, and then just up the road just a bit is Alum Rock Park. So the location is really premier. It's a large lot, 9,640 square foot lot. The really neat thing about this property is it has a 1,200 square foot workshop, garage, whatever you want to call it, in the backyard. And you access it through the side yard. You can drive on through, so you can access 2 more cars to be parked back there, or like I said, it would be a great workshop or a studio, or even a place to run a business. And then there's another studio added to that was professionally done. By the way, this home was built by a licensed contractor back in 1957. You even have the walls have been plastered, so it's well constructed home in very good condition. Some remodeling done inside. So don't have a date when that's going to come up for sale. The price point on this one is only $1,598,888. So we'll be having that coming up probably early part of February, maybe middle of February. So mark your calendars and I'll let you know when that one comes up for an open house on that one. And then talking to the seller at 390 Monmouth Drive in Milpitas, price point 1.7. That's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath. And then 247 Delia Street in San Jose, we're getting that one prepped. That's $1.4 million. That's at the base of the Alum Rock foothills. It's 2,100 square foot corner lot. It does need considerable amount of upgrading, so it'd be sold as is. That's why it's an amazing price. And then on the books to be coming up maybe this year, 479 Heath Street in Milpitas, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and 385 Monmouth Drive also in Milpitas. So looking forward to talking to you. Please give me a call, 408-945-8988, or and email giordanodj@aol.com. We'll get together. I've been talking to a number of sellers this past week, so I know I've got more inventory coming up, and sellers are definitely considering selling in the spring. So let's get you started. Let's get you ready to go and get a game plan together. So give me a call and I'll talk to you then. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.